Ano ba yan ko dito? Yung para mahanap ko yung global entry.
Mag-log in ka muna sa sign in mo.
Saan?
Sign in mo.
Meron na pala ako. Photos pa pala. Hindi ko nakakita.
See, when you return from your next internal trip, just hold on to that. I'm gonna see if we can book a flight from here to JFK.
Thank you.
Enjoy. Thank you very much.
It's okay or
Wait lang, wait lang.
Oh. Kunan mo.
Tingnan ka. 2,
Tayong dalawa. Ano, tabi mo ito.
1, 2. Look in the camera. Put in.
Baka pa. Ayan siya. Ako mo daw tayo.
picture?
Please.
Yes,
Thank
thank
you
you.
very much. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Wait. Instagram. This shit is lit, son.
Sarap. Si me quedaba quieto, no le dije que iba a mami. Me voy a la casa. Oye, pero sí dijo que no. Porque como era lunes. ¿Quién era? Ah, porque anda por ahí. Es que como malambot ba yung mo? isda nila.
Ariwaba.
Sarap.
Hello world. So, I just want to give y'all a bit of insight of what I'm doing and what is happening. So basically, we decided to have brunch, my mom and I. There's a restaurant within the hotel. I forgot the name of the restaurant, but I end up ordering lamb soup. I think it's lamb soup with rice. Now, this thing I'm digging in with the fork, it's known in Mexico and it's pretty good. I gotta get back to you on that one. If you guys know what that is, leave a comment on the comment box. My mom ended up ordering fish, and I had mojito and sparkling water by Pellegrino. And, you know, it was a good time. Good eat, good brunch, good service, perfect weather, not too hot, not too cold. What else can I ask for, right? In addition, if you want to travel like me, click my affiliated link from Expedia and book your next travel. Pay.
Kariwa.
Thank you. Maganda rin naman ang Tijuana. Sino may sabi hindi maganda Tijuana?
Madami mo nasasabing di maganda. Pag global entry, hindi ka napipila doon sa maraming tao.
Saka by land too, kapag mako-cross ka, you don't have to wait in that long line. You're gonna slow me down. Kaya you need the global entry. Sinabi ko sa'yo I specifically told you when you come back from the Philippines, go get interviewed.
Nagutom. Anong ginagawa ni Richie na nagtatrabaho?
I think so.
Hindi na nagbakasyon.